Hey everybody, what's up? On this video, I'm going to show you the best 3 Facebook custom audiences that can explode your income online. Hey guys, what's up? Hernan Vazquez here and welcome to another video, and thank you once again for watching these videos. I hope they're really helpful for you. And one of the questions that I get a lot are, what are the best custom audiences independently of what kind of Facebook strategy you're implementing, right? I get this question a lot, and I know that when you're out there and ready to set up your first custom audience, or you're trying to set up your first custom audience, it can be kind of hard, right? You have all of those options and whatnot. It's kind of the same with Facebook advertising objectives, which I talked about, which are the best and which are the ones I personally use to get the best results. Well, it's the same case with the Facebook custom audiences, right? I'm going to show you guys on this video which are the best 3, or basically not the best 3 because it all depends on your campaign objectives, but basically the campaigns or the Facebook custom audiences that I use pretty much on a daily basis, okay? I'm gonna share with you how to use them as well. So there's 3, and I don't know why, there could be more, I just like the number 3, I guess. So the first Facebook custom audience that I use a lot is the abandoned checkout custom audience, okay? So what this means is that basically I tell Facebook to track all of the people that reach a certain point in my funnel, say they are on the shopping cart or they are, ready to purchase, but they don't. So I kind of make the difference between abandoned checkouts and purchasers. So what you need to do is to go back and watch the live stream where I talked about how to explode your income online by targeting abandoned checkouts, where I walk you through step by step the strategy that I personally use to go through this and actually separate these two, right? But basically, once you have your Facebook pixel installed and you have your custom conversions, or maybe you have, you can set up your custom audiences based on URL, you want to set up a custom audience for people that visit your checkout page, and then another custom audience for people that visit your thank you page, like after the purchase, whatever your product is. If you're doing Shopify, if you are doing an info product, you want to target those abandoned checkouts. Basically, what you're doing is to, target the lowest hanging fruit, because people are already there, they're ready to purchase your stuff, but for some reason they didn't, okay? Usually they get distracted, we get distracted, I personally get distracted a lot. So this is like your first money maker, no matter what you're doing. If you're doing Shopify, if you're a coach or consultant, if you're doing info products, the abandoned checkout is the lowest hanging fruit. Again, go through the training. There's going to be a link somewhere, maybe a card or maybe a link on the description below, so that you can go through that training. Okay, so that's number 1, and number 1, the most important custom audience, because this is the money maker. Okay, now the second custom audience that I use a lot are the good old engagement audiences. Okay, so the engagement audiences, that you can target on Facebook people that have engaged with your Facebook page, with your Instagram profile, but not only that, you can also target people that have watched a video. So let's add it here, maybe as a subsection of this one, video viewers, okay? Which is basically another way of saying an engagement audience, okay? So these 2, engagement audiences and video viewers, are super important, because for once, if you're heavily doing video like I'm doing and uploading them to Facebook like I'm doing, and pushing those through video views campaigns, you will collect a lot of video viewers really fast. Further, if they are, if your videos are really helpful and whatnot, which is a strategy that I really recommend. So you go ahead and create a video viewers custom audience, number 1. But also you want to create an engagement audience, people that have liked, have commented, and have, share your stuff. Potentially or uniquely, I would say the Facebook page stuff, right? So that means that people are super engaged with what you have to say. You can combine the 2, so basically one will feed the next. If you have really good content going out to your audience, and then you set up an engagement audience, you will capture all of that traffic. Okay, so these are by far the second best, I would say, or another type of Facebook custom audience that I use a lot. Engagement audiences and video views audiences, which is kind of a subsection of the engagement within Facebook, okay? Because again, I'm sharing the good stuff on Facebook, and then I can retarget all of these people with, my book, or maybe the Facebook ad cheat sheet, which you will be able to find on the description below. You can also get a copy of my book, Perpetual Profits, which will also be in the description below, etc., etc. So again, this is the second option when it comes to custom audiences. Now, the third custom audience that I really like to create, it would be a lookalike audience, but based on past buyers. Okay, so this is also really important, the past buyers list. I see a lot of people, especially Shopify stores, or general contractors or whatever, like a lot of people that have potentially 100, 200, 300, even 500 or 1,000 past customers. And it doesn't mean that they need to be like super high ticket customers, right? They can even spend $5 or $1 or $10 with your store or with your company or whatever, and they will still be considered a customer. So once you get at least, I would say 500, ideally is 1,000. Like if you have 1,000 purchasers, go ahead and use them, because that's a gold mine of information. But if you don't, just use 500 and see how that goes, okay? Less than that will not be accurate enough for the Facebook algorithm to actually sort out that data. So this is like the last step of the funnel, because at this point you're making sales, potentially you're making money, and the past buyers is where the money is at. So what you would do is to upload these past buyers list to Facebook, and you will create a lookalike audience from that past buyers list, okay? And then you can sort them out by country. For example, I advertise heavily in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, a part of Europe, so I could do different custom audiences based on those countries and based on the data that I'm uploading to Facebook, okay? So this is, I would say, lookalike, from the past buyers would be another great way of expanding your reach. Because again, if you're uploading like 1,000 persons or 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 buyers to Facebook, on the US, for example, you will get on the minimum reach, which is the 1%, you will get 2.2 or 2.3 million people that you can target to, right? Granted, depending on your campaign objective, you won't be targeting them all. You will target just a small portion of that 2.2 or 2.3%, meaning if you have a conversion objective, you will only be targeting those people that are more prone to convert, okay? But this is a great lookalike audience. And again, just to recap, number one, target those abandoned checkouts. Go through the live stream that I made. It's been great. There's gonna be a link somewhere around here so that you can see step by step how to do it. Number two, the engagement audiences and video viewers with the new changes to the Facebook timeline at this point in time where I'm recording this video. These are really important because this will allow you to get the same or even more reach that you have been having over the past couple of months. And then the past buyers, a lookalike audience based on past buyers is super, super, super important as well to increase your reach, okay? So there you have it. These are, I use a lot others like, I don't know, leads and whatnot, but these are my main favorite custom audiences. I want to share with you guys so that you could have them and you can start experimenting with this when it comes to your Facebook advertising. And if you have any questions about Facebook advertising, email marketing, profitable funnels, etc., I have a really cool Facebook group that you can come and join. It's going to be a link below. It's completely free. Then number two, I have set up a really, really, really good Facebook ads template. So once you have the targeting, you want to target them with the best Facebook ad available. And I've created that for you and it's free to download as well. There's going to be a link somewhere around here so that you can download the cheat sheet. It's completely for free. And number three, last but not least, I would strongly suggest that if you want to get more profits, if you want to get more customers, and not only that, if you want to get more repeated sales from the customers that you already have, which is like if you get one new customer, you get 2, 3, 5, 10 sales. If you get 2 new customers, you get 4, 8, 16, 20 sales, and so on and so forth. If you want to multiply your income, I would strongly suggest that you get a copy of my new book, perpetual profits, which, you know, it's super cheap right now. You can get a copy, a digital copy, and there's gonna be a link somewhere around here as well. Okay, guys, so thank you once again for watching these videos. I really hope that, you know, they help you, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.